Hi friends, welcome back. This is Wacom Intuos S drawing tablet unboxing and first look video. I bought this on Amazon and it is available in few other stores also. And this is a creative drawing tablet that can be attached with cable to the PC or Mac, and there are drivers available on their website. There is an app which downloads drivers automatically depending upon which model of the tablet we buy from Wacom, and it comes with a specific driver that is stable, and it can be downloaded specific to our tablet, and computer need to be restarted after the driver is installed. It comes with a drawing pen as well as USB cable. It's a micro USB cable. Let's unbox it. It has got good white packaging. And there is a pen shipped with it, which comes with some spare nibs as well. And this drawing tablet has 4 buttons that can be mapped with the softwares. It comes with a 2 years license of ClipArt Studio and some trial licenses of Corel software. Let's unwrap this. And there is a nice fabric holder attached to the tablet for the pen, so that we don't lose it or misplace the pen. It has got 4096 pressure sensitive points, and it can be used with Corel software or any photo or video editing softwares or drawing softwares. This is the leaflet, and this is the pen itself. It has got 2 buttons. And spare nibs are in the bottom part of it. Thanks everyone for watching.